This morning, I turned to the east and stared at the rising sun that snuck upward against the sky as though summoned. As the orange mixed with the blue of morning, a smile broke upon my face like a ripple in still water, and for a moment, the ominous crackle of the world burning outside our door was calm. For a moment, the homeless man on the corner of Colfax in Colorado found shelter in the company of a stranger who bought him breakfast, and for a moment, there was peace. For a moment, a woman facing forced eviction by the hands of developers watched her oldest daughter graduate from high school, cap and gown swaying like prayer flags in the wind, and for a moment, there was peace. For a moment, a convicted felon found someone willing to say yes, opportunity finally shining brighter than his arrest record, and for a moment, there was peace. We live in the most beautiful of times. We live in the most challenging of times, so we must never forget how to dance amid the smoke, to celebrate through the pain, to smile through the sadness, to sing through all the tears, to love through all the hate. Let us pray. Let us pray that we, the living, be drawn to our own light, that we grow compassion in the gardens of our hearts, that our words sprout legs and our actions grow wings, that our minds be open like tulips in the spring. Let us pray that we learn the difference between the bootstraps and the bootless, that we remember the ones that others have forgotten, the marginalized, the displaced, the underserved. Let us pray that we use our hands to lift each other up, that we dismantle the man-made borders we impose upon one another. Let us pray that our communities are healthy and happy and prosperous. May we always be courageous. May we be transformed and reborn each day. May we live free and with abandon. May we grow and dream and love. May we be unapologetically us. May we never stop fighting for justice, equality, and peace. And today, may we prove that this great city lives up to its reputation, that its leaders have a heart as big as its mountains, and its arms are long enough to embrace all of the people who call this house their home. Progressive values, real action. Vote for Leslie.